see about the pH sum. First of all, we go to the pH scale. What is pH scale? The logarithmic of H plus ion concentration is known as pH scale. Okay, from the pH scale, we have to identify whether it is acid, base or neutral. Acidic means 1 to 6, it is acidic, 7 neutral, and alkaline is 8 to 14. Okay, next we go to sum. First, see there here formulas are given here. pH, the pH value is equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration to the base 10. The square bracket mention the concentration of H plus. Okay, next POH is equal to minus log of OH minus ion concentration to the base 10. The H plus indicates hydrogen ion concentration. The H plus indicates hydrogen ion concentration. The OH minus ion indicates hydroxyl ion. Hydroxyl ion. Okay, that is H plus is hydrogen ion concentration, OH minus is hydroxyl ion concentration. Whenever you splitted the H2O, it is converted into H plus and OH minus. From this, we have to identify the concentration of H plus and concentration of OH minus ion. They will given the H plus ion concentration or OH minus ion concentration in the sum. From that sum, we have to identify the pH value. Okay, next pH and POH is equal to 14. That is power of hydrogen ion plus power of OH minus OH ion is equal to 14. The total value is 14. That is 7 plus 7 equal to 14. Suppose you take logarithmic means it will be converted into logarithm. Suppose we have the pH value means pH is equal to, you have to convert this one. pH is equal to 14 minus POH. Suppose you want POH means POH is equal to 14 minus pH value. Like that you have to calculate it from this one formula. You have to calculate the pH and POH. Okay, next, before that we know some mathematical formula, that is log of A power n. That is, see here. See here, log of A power n base A. In max you have to study it. That is log of A power n base A is equal to log A power is come to in front of log, that is n of log A base A. That is log 10 base 10, that is equal to 1. That is same power and the denominator means that is equal to 1. So the value is n into 1, that is log A base A. That is log A base A is equal to 1. So you have to replace the log of A base A is equal to 1. So n into 1 is equal to n. The same way, you see another formula also. See again the formula log B. Suppose it will be log B base A. That is, this is different and this also different, means the value is 0. So you apply the 7th formula. See here, 7th formula I given log of A power m into n to the base A. This formula you split it and write like this. See here, log of A power m into n base A is equal to log of A power m base A plus log of A power n base A equal to, you have to write it as m into log of A base A. Like that you have to splitting and write. This value is 1. Suppose this value will be changes. Here B will come means here B will be there means the value will be differ. That power will be changed means the value is log B, that is log of B base A is equal to 0. So log of A base A is equal to 1. Similar means 1. It will be changed means 0. From this formula you see here log A base A is equal to 1, log B base A is equal to 0. You have to apply in the sum itself. So that's why I am saying here. Okay, next we go to the sum. First sum, see here, they given calculate the pH of 0.01 m. A HNO3, you know very well HNO3 is splitted as H plus. See here H plus and NO3 minus. How many H is here? Only one H is here. So the value is 1. So you have to converted this H plus ion concentration. They given no that concentration will be converted into power. You already know 1 by 10 value is, that is 1 by 10 value is 0.1. 1 by 100 value is equal to 0.01. This can be written as 10 power is 10 power minus 2. This one is written as 10 power minus 1. The same method here also you used. Okay, now you see here H is plus equal to 0.01 m, that is equal to 10 power minus 2 m. First you converted into 10 power. After that you have to substitute the H plus ion concentration will be given. So you have to use the formula pH is equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration to the base 10. Here H plus ion concentration will be given here. See here 10 power minus 2 we already converted. So the power will become in front, log of log A power n base A format. It will be like that. So the power of A will be come in front, that is 2 is come in front. Already there will be a 1 minus. So minus of minus 2 log 10 base 10. See here log 10 base 10, log 10 base 10 A. So the log value is 1. So equal to minus into minus plus. So 2 into 1 equal to 2. So pH value is equal to 2. You have to identify the pH value is 2. Now the pH value is less than 7. So the solution is acidic. Okay, next sum you go here. They given OH minus ion concentration 1 into 10 power minus. They given in power itself. So A into M format. The hydroxyl ion concentration of the solution is 1 into 10 power minus 9 m. Calculate the pH. See here what is the pOH of the solution. pOH only you have must to calculate. So pOH is equal to, they given only hydroxyl ion. So you use pOH is equal to minus log of OH minus ion concentration to the base 10. Okay. Minus log of, here 110 will become. See here you want to put right 110. Okay. Next log of M power, log of A power M into N format. M into N format. So you have to split this like minus of log of M plus log of A power N format. Okay, now I split it and write here. You see log of 1 base 10. Here log of A power N base 10. This one A power N base 10. This one B by A. Okay, this one is get 0. But here the power will be there. The power will be come in front. So log of A base A. Okay, this minus and minus 9 is equal to plus 9. And log 10 base 10 value is equal to 1. So pOH is equal to 9. That's all. The second sum also over. Next third sum. A solution has a pOH of pOH 11.76. They given directly the value 14 minus, that is you know very well the value is given 11.76. pH plus pOH you know very well the formula. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. pH is equal to 14 minus pOH, that is 14 minus 11.76. pH value is equal to 2.24. Here don't use the logarithmic formula, direct formula. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. One formula is there, that formula you use here. So pOH value will be given. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. 14 minus 11.76 equal to 2.24. Okay, next calculate the pH of 0.01. First of all, you go to change this value into 10 power. So it will be converted into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, next they were given HCl. HCl is converted into H plus and Cl minus. H plus equal to 1 into 10 power minus 3 m. So pH is equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration equal to minus log of 10 power minus 3 base 10. 10 power will be come in front, that is n of log of a. Here I given here the formula, see here log of a power n base a, that is converted into n of. So minus of minus 3 log 10 base 10 value is equal to 1. pH is equal to 3. Okay, next sum. You see here what would be the pH of a aqueous solution of sulfuric acid when is 5 into 10 power minus 5 mole liter minus 1 is concentration. First of all, you must know H2SO4. That is, see here H2SO4, it will be splitted. Suppose you splitted the HCl means one hydrogen. Here it will be splitted into 2H plus and SO4 2 minus. How many hydrogen will be liberated in one molecule of H2SO4? 2 hydrogen. There given you see 5 into. So how many hydrogen? 5 into 2 is equal to 10 hydrogen atom. Hydrogen ion will be liberated. So 10. 10 is equal to 10 power 1 value. So 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 5. 10 power 1 value is, you know very well, you subtract this one, 10 power minus 4. So from that 10 power minus 4 only you have to calculate the pH value. See here 1 mole of H2SO4 gives 2 mole of H plus ion. Therefore 5 mole of H2SO4 gives 2 into 5 mole of H plus ion. So H plus equal to 2 into 5 into 10 power minus 5 m. So 5 into 2 10. 10 into 10 power minus 5 m, that is 10 power minus 1. So it will be converted into 1.0 into 10 power minus 4 m, or otherwise you write it as this one, as like this. See here 10 power minus 4 m, another one format also. So like this also you can write, or otherwise you write it directly like this. So you have to apply this formula or this formula, that is a power n base a formula, log of a power n base a formula, or log of a power m into n base a formula. Any other formula will be used here. Suppose you use this value only means you use log of a base a formula. Suppose you use this value means you use log of a power m into n format. Okay, this one log of a power m into n format. So log of 1.0 base 10 plus log of 10 power minus 4 base 10. This value log b, this value is log b base a. So it will be becomes as 0. That log of 10 power minus 4 is a power n format. N is come front. N into log of 10 base 10 is equal to minus of minus 4 log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 value is 1. So 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So pH is equal to 4. That's all. Okay, next sum you see. Calculate the pH of 1 into 10 power minus 4 m solution of NaOH. They given OH minus ion concentration. See here it will be splitted as Na plus and OH minus ion. So the value of hydroxyl ion only here given. So first of all you have to calculate the pOH. So here you see I given here pOH. See here pOH is equal to 1 into 10 power 4 m. pOH, first of all you have to calculate pOH. From that pH plus pOH is equal to 14. pH is equal to 14 minus pOH equal to 14 minus 4 is equal to pH is equal to 10. From that only you have to identify the pH value. First of all, you have to calculate the pOH, the same method, same logarithmic formula also you must use. Okay, next sum. Calculate the pH of a solution in which the concentration of the hydrogen ion is 1.0 into 10 power minus 8. Here, hydrogen ion only given, so H plus ion concentration is given. So, you directly calculate the pH value. So, see here, I calculated the pH value. Here, I written as the A power n format. A power m into n equal to log of a power m plus log of a power n format. That only I used here in this formula. I splitted this one. This one goes to 0 because log b base a, log b base a, 2 also different. 1.0 and 10 is same. No, so it will be goes as 0, but here a power n format, n will become front. See here, n will become front. So log 10 base 10, log 10 base 10 you know very well, that is value is 1. So 8 into 1 is equal to 8, pH is equal to 8. That's all. Okay, next sum. If the pH of a solution is, they given directly the pH value, find the pOH. Okay, you know very well, pH plus pOH is equal to 14, pH is equal to 4.5, pOH is equal to 14 minus pH, pOH is equal to 14 minus 4.5, pOH is equal to 9.5. That's all. This sum will be very easy for you. Next sum, solve the following problems. That is first sum in your book back evaluation la. Okay va, 8th Roman. Lemon juice has pH. What is the concentration of H plus pH value is equal to 2. So first of all you write it as pH is equal to minus log of, they given the value this one, pH value, that is 2. Okay, so you have to write now minus of pH equal to log of H plus ion concentration to the base 10. Okay, next you see minus pH. Minus pH value you know very well, minus 2, that is it will be going to. So you must write the log of, here one step is missing, that is log of H plus ion concentration to the base 10 equal to minus pH. Minus pH. Suppose you remove the log, it will be, I write it is here. See here, whenever you remove the log, it will becomes as H plus equal to, the pH value is going to 10 power minus pH. Okay, now 10 power minus pH value is 2. So 10 power minus 2, the H plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 2. Reverse we will calculate this one. So you have to write it as m, that is mole per lit. Mole per lit is the unit for this one. You have to calculate the H plus ion concentration. Already before some we calculated they given the H plus ion, we have calculated the pH. Now they given the pH, we have to calculate the H plus ion. So only it will be reversed. So you have to write it the unit also. Okay, next you see second sum. Calculate the pH of 1.0 into 10 power 4 molar solution of HNO3. H plus equal to, here HNO3 means H plus. So H plus equal to 1. Same method. Same method means that is, this is log of a power m into n base a format. You have to split and write. After that you using log b base a, log a base a formula. After that you get pH equal to 4. Okay, next sum you see. What is the pH of the 1.0 into 10 power minus 5 molar solution of KOH. KOH you have to split like this. See here, KOH is equal to K plus and OH minus. So they giving OH minus. So hydroxyl ion concentration only given here. So you have to write the hydroxyl ions equal to 1.0 into 10 power minus 5 m. POH is equal to minus log of OH minus ion concentration. So you have to again it will be splitted as A power m into n format. From that you have to identify first the POH. Next you have to identify pH equal to 14 minus POH. The POH value is 5. So 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. That's all this sum. Okay. Next you see the hydroxide ion concentration of a solution is 1 into 10 power 11 m. Hydroxyl ion concentration. See here hydroxyl ion concentration. So OH minus ion concentration only they given. You have to find out POH first. After that you have to find the pH value. POH formula is minus log of OH minus ion concentration to the base 10. After that from this value you identify after pH equal to 14 minus POH. So 14 minus, see here what is the value given, 11. So 11 equal to 3 is the value. So pH value is equal to 3. See here POH first you have to calculate. Here see last step. See here 11 into 1 is equal to 11. Okay, after that you see they calculated the POH equal to 11. pH equal to 14 minus POH. 14 minus 11 is equal to 3. Okay, next sum. pH of a solution is 3. So they given directly the value 3. Find the concentration of OH minus ion. Now you have to calculate first POH. That is pH plus POH is equal to 14. They given pH value that is 3. So POH is equal to 14 minus 3 pH. So 3 equal to 11. So POH value is equal to 11. From that 11 you have to calculate POH is equal to minus log of OH minus ion concentration to the base 10. Okay, POH value you know, so you have to first of all you come this side, that is log of OH minus ion to the base 10 equal to minus POH. Okay, first you have to remove the log. So OH minus ion concentration is equal to, whenever you remove the log it will be goes to the power of 10 power of minus POH. You have identified the value is POH value is 11. So you substitute here 10 power minus 11. You have to put a formula, the unit mole per lit. So OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 11 mole per lit. Okay, this session will be over. The sum also over. Tomorrow we will see the book back evaluation. Thank you dears.